How to fix CapCut file not supported problem. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and today I will show you how you can fix the problem of CapCut file not supported on your device. So to solve this problem, watch this video till the very end. So if the CapCut is not being supported to import the videos or create new videos in CapCut, then how you can solve the problem is, so for example, if I want to import certain videos on my CapCut. For example, this is the video that I want to import. Then what I will do is just tap on it here, tap on the rename option. Now what you should do is write AVI on your any videos, photos or audio files that you want to import in CapCut, and after that just tap on OK. And now go on your CapCut. So after going on your CapCut, what you will simply do is you will tap on the new project. After you tap on the new project, just select the video that you just renamed. Like this, you can rename any videos and then import it on your CapCut. Hope this video helps you. And not only videos, you can also do this for audio clips and anything as well. So this is how you do it. Thumbs up, subscribe and comment in our comment section for more videos like this. I hope this video helps you. If this video helped you, then please do subscribe our channel.